altcoin is recently hit new all-time high, which is 123k level. Is it sustaining or we can see any new levels? Let's understand in this video. We will be checking 4-hour chart as well as 1-day chart, weekly chart, so we can have idea which level is actually following by BTC and what are the upcoming new levels. Recent high of BTC exact number which is 123k level. Now what is the next upcoming level? Price has broken upside from this level, which was the huge resistance. Okay, this resistance is now successfully broken out. Now price is looking for retest over here. This indication is from weekly chart. Let's switch on daily chart. Daily chart is showing similarly. Price is broken this level, which is 119,400 level, and afterwards price is showing some correction point. Okay, this momentum was good. Bulls was strong here, that's why 14% price movement has been done. Bulls was strong, that's why non-stop movements was happened in BTC. That's about 14%. Now let's take a look on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is also showing that breakout is happened and we can expect some reversal point. Okay, it will take some correction like this before touch, or similarly it can go like this. It can consolidate for some time with these new levels. Meanwhile, we can see some good movements in altcoins, top 10 currencies and mid cap altcoins. Okay, if you have any altcoin, if you are holding any mid term altcoin, then you can hold tight because BTC is now can perform slightly consolidation. Okay, during this consolidation mode of BTC, we can assume that volume can flow into the altcoins. As of now, expected correction point is this one, guys, 111750. Okay, in lower time frame, price is already giving some red marks. Here we go. Sellers are entering in large amount, sellers are entering, and this is now a holding support. If this support is breaking down, then next expected good support point is 112800 for short term traders. If you want to take any trade in holding basis 4 hour 1 day, then we don't have any strong support until and unless 111600. This is not exact support point because any price levels has not clicked this point. Okay, if any price levels are clicking and showing some consolidation points / reversal point, then we may consider that support is trustable and can take trades accordingly. But this is completely new trend, new support, that's why we cannot expect and take trade on the basis of this support. If you want to consider this support, wait for this consolidation, price holding and going back, then coming back, then we can see a momentum. That's how price action works. Better to wait patiently for new levels in BTC. As of now, we cannot take any trades. In 15 minutes 30 minutes chart, I have shown the price levels which can be expected. In 4 hour 1 day is also shown what are the expected and trusted points. Okay, now let's move on. Evora crypto exchange, an advanced AI powered crypto exchange and trading platform that been making some noise lately. Plus we will take a look at cool bonus event they are running right now where you can earn up to $20. We will also talk about how Evora combines crypto trading with smart bonuses. So let's get into it. Why Evora? Evora offers spot trading, futures trading feature for everyone. Evora is basically an all-in-one platform that offers spot trading, futures trading. They currently support over 300 plus trading pairs which give you plenty options whether you are into Bitcoin, Ethereum or small altcoins. Let's take a look on a web page. Link of this platform is given in the video's description. Simply you can jump on it and register yourself. Here is the main interface. You can see the options on top: buy crypto, market, spot, futures, and here you can see currently running events from Evora. Beginner's guide is also added. You can start learning crypto trading, how to trade spot, how to deposit and withdraw, how to secure your cryptocurrencies. Apart from this ultra low fees, 24/7 support, another thing that stands out, their fee structure. Evora offers low fees as low as 0.008%, which is really competitive. Plus they run 24/7 support, so if you ever get stuck, you can reach out anytime. Here we go. Information about trading pairs. 300 plus trading pairs are there. 24/7 hour service. Low fees 0.008%, and this is actually a good fees. Trading fees safe and reliable. Trade anytime, anywhere. You can use application from App Store or Google Play. Now let's jump on market cap. Which coins are available to trade? To check available spot coins, simply click on spot, and here we go. List of pairs are available to trade. If you want to trade coin from futures, simply click on trade. Alright, the main trading room will be opened. Here is the main interface of the trading. Leverage modes, cross isolated, you can use any one, and leverage up to 125x. High leverage is equal to high risk. First understand risk of the leverage and you are good to go. You can select your order quantity by dragging this, okay, and simply click on long option if you want to open long, and click short option if you want to open short position. This is the confirmation window before opening the long position. Price, market price, everything will be shown here. With a simple click you can open your trade on Evora. Fees are very less as compared to the other exchange, okay, so with this way you can open long close position on Evora. Now let's understand which is promotional event on Evora. Discover Evora, the AI powered trading and customer engagement platform, your all-in-one solution to supercharge crypto trading and automate business processes. Special event 8 to 16 July. Invite friends and earn up to $20 trading credits. $5 for new registration plus KYC plus $50 first deposit. Registration plus KYC verification and first $50 deposit. You may eligible for $15 when you are invited friend trades over $10,000. Link of this platform is given in video's description, or simply you can follow up the Telegram page. Evora have AI tools that can automatically manage a lead in real time, provide good customer support, work with your existing CRM or system. To deposit your crypto, simply click on this wallet option. Alright, currently you can see $200 in futures account. Simply click on plus deposit, choose your coin to deposit and select network, for example BEP20. Simply check this address, transfer your assets from different wallet/exchange, and you are good to go to trade with Evora. You may add 2 more settings of Google verification and phone verification. Afterwards you can perform withdraw task. Eva prediction market trading strategy. Evora also gives you a knowledge of technical analysis or gives you a small hint of the market. You can refer this web page to understand more clear. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.